Question 2 says, for each triangle, a base and its corresponding height are labeled. Direction A, find the area of each triangle. So just to remind ourselves, let's write the formula for area of a triangle up here. We know that area equals 1/2 base times height, and we need to make sure that our baseline falls on our height line at a right angle. So I'm going to do triangle A and B with you, and then you're going to try triangle C on your own. For triangle A, I know that 1/2 times my height, if I count the units in my height, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units in my height. So 1/2 times 6 times my base, 1, 2, 3, 4, is going to equal my area. 6 times 4 is 24, divided by 2 gives me 12 units squared. So for part A, triangle A, I have 12. Let's keep our work nice and neat here by writing A so we know which triangle we're talking about. B, how is the area related to the base and its corresponding height? So again, for triangle A, I see that my area is 12, my base is 4, so my area is 3 times my base. My height is 6, so my area is 2 times my height. But really, my answer to B for all of these is going to be my formula for area of a triangle. So area is always going to be 1/2 base times height. That can really be my answer for all 3 triangles. Okay, let's try triangle B. So once again, we know that my area is going to be 1/2 times the base. The base in this case, let's count our units, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1/2 times 8 times my height, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 times 4 is going to be 32. Divided by 2 is 16. So for triangle B, my area is 16 units square. Pause the video, try triangle C on your own, then look up here when you're ready to review. Okay, let's review triangle C. Once again, we're going to rewrite our formula. So we know that it's 1/2 times base times height. So let's count our base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So I'm going to move my 6 down here. No, it's not moving on me. So I'm having some technical difficulties here. Smartboard is freezing up on me. I'll switch back and forth for a second, see if that works.